It's time now for our DIY security tip of the week. And every week we put one of these together for you. And I'll tell you, the holiday season is a playground for scammers and grifters who prey on everyone's eagerness to buy gifts. Now, historically, this has led to thousands of lost dollars, and nothing makes your holidays more of a humbug than an empty wallet and no gifts to show for it. So, to light your way through the rest of the season, we've created a guide on some of the most sinister scams this year, as well as we're going to tell you what you can do to protect yourself. And let's start with, you ready for it? We're all going to wish you a Merry Fishmas. That's right, we're talking about phishing scams, and for the holidays, they're going to claim that your account has been disabled and ask you to reset your password. And you always want to check complete email addresses of the sender and never open any links. And just to be clear, both Amazon and Apple, they go through great pains to make sure that whatever links that you have are really on the up and up, and that you should never just go ahead and Google a toll-free number. We're going to give you, in this tip on the website, the toll-free number for both Amazon and Apple in case you need it. So just wait, you just don't Google it. Number 2 on our list, email brings not so good tidings sometimes. We're talking about another scam that hits your inbox. There's shipping notifications from Amazon, UPS, and FedEx, and they say, hey, we have a problem with your order. We can't get it to you. Could you just click here? So scammers are banking on the odds that you probably purchased something online. Number 3 on our list is bearing gift cards we scam from afar. Oh my gosh. Gift cards are much more than useful last-minute gifts for people on your list. So gift card scams are also part of other scams. So you may be working for a major company. Scammers in your inbox pretending to be your CEO or HR manager, putting together gifts for a potluck, and they just need you to go ahead and help them purchase those gift cards. 4, 'twas the night before Christmas. With so much at stake, there were coupons aplenty, but many were fake. That's right. Sounds too good to be true. It is. Hackers are trying to get information by people to sign up for exclusive memberships and discounts and sales. These scammers are paying for promoted ads, by the way, on social media and search engines. So just make sure you don't fall for it. Number 5, come all you Facebook. Yes, that's right. Be careful of any fake postings there. There's a lot of them. And you want to keep your credit card safe, especially if you're doing any type of shopping on Facebook. Don't use your real credit cards. Stick to a safe payment method instead. Number 6, you better watch out for counterfeit goods. And there's a ton of them. Be careful of any third-party sellers that you see on Amazon, again, with prices that are just too good to be true. And then look for the words like replica along the way. And number 7 is ho, 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 you're overpriced. That's right. A common sales tactic for retailers is just jack up the prices right before you need it. And so what you want to do is resist the temptation to just shop too early. You want to put things in your cart. You want to do price watching. We've got links to this and a whole bunch more over at Komando.com. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.